Hey guys, welcome to my very first YouTube video. Welcome. We're on this journey together. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be renovating my sister's bedroom for her 17th birthday. So she actually doesn't know that we're doing this. It's her birthday surprise. I'm also going to make a video about how it turned out, so you can look in the description box and see where that video is. No. Okay, so first, the room needs. What did she want in her room? She expressed that she really wanted a pallet bed. Just where you take pallets and then you set your bed on top of it. So those you can actually get for free from Lowe's, I believe. I tried Home Depot, but they actually won't give them to you. So she also wanted just more aesthetics, more aesthetically pleasing things. It was kind of a jumble of random things that she had trying to be cohesive instead of everything feeling like it was meant to be in that room. Okay, so next up was makeup storage for her. She loves makeup, and she loves to do people's makeup. So it was really important that she had a space where she could just grab her makeup and do all that she wanted to do. She's constantly doing makeup. The next one is going to be a relaxing space. She just wanted a space to relax and just really de-stress after the day, or just distress in general. So that was really important for her as well. So we came up with a number. There's about 6 of us friends, and we all felt comfortable about spending $30 on towards the gift from Lauren. So our budget that we were trying to stick around was about $180. So that being said, $180 can be kind of tight, especially when you're trying to get aesthetically pleasing things for a teenage girl. It was a little bit of a challenge for me, but it was definitely a fun thing, and I got to spend a lot of creative time on it. So here's the breakdown of where that $180 went. So the lighting was the wall sconces as well as the floor lamp. We ended up spending $30.25. Next up is furniture. We ended up spending $53.44 on furniture. We got a saucer chair for her in that one little corner, that little nook that I'll show you. And then we got our office chair as well, one that was a little bit better to work with her desk than just like a big black kind of not cute one. So we got her a cute one. And then we also got shelves from OfferUp, also for free, because the plastic was, or like the vinyl that was on the shelf started lifting, and it was a really easy fix. We ended up just gluing it down, and it was fantastic. Next up was Decor. I ended up spending $62.12, 18 cents on Decor. And Decor meaning the plants that we got. We got a floor plant, like a big palm one, and then 2 tiny little vines, as well as some faux vines. She expressed that she didn't really want tons of plants. She didn't want to be a plant lady, which I don't see anything wrong with it. I personally love plants. So to each their own. Anyway, she didn't want crazy amounts of plants, so I ended up getting her a couple of faux plants and then a couple of real, just to, throw that in there. And lastly, we spent $21.78 on miscellaneous items. This being spray paint to paint her mirror that she already had. It was just kind of weird off-white. It didn't look very good with her walls anymore, so we painted it gold to go with the rest of her room. And lastly, for miscellaneous, we ended up spending $21.78. We ended up getting drywall screws and just kind of a kit to hang up her TV because it was standing up before. And then also spray paint. So we ended up spray painting. She had an existing mirror, so we just painted the border of that gold to go along with the theme of everything else. And also she had a nice little nightstand, but it was just kind of boring, so we ended up painting the knobs gold as well, just to kind of, bring in those little ties and little accents for everything. The grand total of everything, you ready for this? $175 is what our total was, so just under our 180 goal budget that we set, but ultimately under $200 to renovate an entire room is pretty great, so I'm not mad at that at all. So obviously we got some things for free. We got like that lamp and the shelves that we got for free, which was a great deal off of OfferUp. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys can look in the description box to see how the room turned out, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.